the demilitarized zone on the border between the western frontier and the Tundran territory. For months now, the site of an uneasy truce between two mighty armies. This is a waiting game, with both sides primed to retaliate in the event of a preemptive strike. But on this historic day, control of the Tundran Empire passes from the iron grip of Tsar Gorgi into the more progressive hands of his son and heir, Marshal Nova. And with Nova in charge, there are those who dare to whisper that this time, peace might just endure.
War is a contact sport, gentlemen. Sack that defensive line. Go, go, go! Now line up! Our boys are getting mighty twitchy down there. We got the men, we got the playbook. Where's the conflict?
The world is changing, Herman.
Looks like this truce could last a long, long time.
What? You gotta be pulling my pin.
But if we have to fight, then fight we shall.
In the meantime, the men are getting out of shape. How about we organize a little sortie to perk up their spirits?
A field exercise. With live ammo, of course. Eddie, I like the way you think.
Come in, Commander. This is Brigadier Betty speaking. Frontier Command has chosen you to carry out a recon mission along our border with the Tundran territories. It's been a while since your battalion saw combat, so I'm going to be putting you through your paces before you head out on patrol. Welcome to the Fort Gridiron Obstacle Course. Head for the Gold Star, Commander. Press the B button to jump. Take out all the target dummies and show me you've got the right stuff for this patrol. See the red targeting reticule? If you press and hold the L button, you will lock on to this target next. Lock on to one of the targets, then move in any direction and press the B button to execute a combat roll. Nice shooting, Commander! Press and hold the R button, then use the control stick to look around. Let's check your eyesight, soldier. Look at what... Looks like you're in good shape, Commander. This mission is a go. Move out to the next Gold Star. Check out the radar in the top left corner of your screen. The flashing Gold Star is your objective marker. Wait a minute! What's this joker doing in frontier territory? He must be a Tundran spy! After him! Whoa! Looks like the spy is setting up listening posts on our turf! Destroy them! Balloons? Better destroy these eyes in the sky before they can report back to Tundran High Command. Heavy! Outstanding! That'll take the air out of the Tundran intelligence program. Over there! It's the Tundran spy! Where'd he go? This is one slippery customer. Move out, Commander, and keep your eyes peeled. More listening posts and spy balloons. Frontier Command isn't gonna like this. Go ahead and destroy them all. Let's hustle, Commander. That spy can't have gone far. That's one of our boys. Go see if he's okay. Darn it, he's a gunner. That spy is gonna pay for this. Scoot over to the next gold star and form up with the boys from Alpha Company. Wake up, Alpha Company! We've got a Tundran spy to catch! Press the X button to command the grunts to follow. These rifle grunts will now follow you. See the green arrow icon above their heads? Press the X button once more to tell your men to wait in sentry mode. See the silver shield icon? This means your troops are in sentry mode. Head to the next gold star marked on your radar. We're getting reports of a Tundran camp in the area. Tundran soldiers! Target one of them and press the Y button to order your men to attack. When your men have destroyed their target, they will automatically return to follow mode. Free those prisoners, Commander! Target the big ammo dump. The explosion should be enough to destroy the barbed wire. Good work, Commander! You've recovered a recon unit. We'll catch up to that spy in no time. Lock on to the recon unit and use the Z button to jump behind the wheel. Lock on to the recon unit and use the Z button to jump behind the... Well done! Now keep moving. We have a spy to catch. Smash through the barbed wire, Commander. What the... That's a Tundran Armored Division down there. Looks like we've stumbled onto something big.
Prepare yourselves for defeat, decadent frontier cowboys!
Zargorgi, your presence here is a clear breach of the terms of the ceasefire. What do you think you're doing?
Making war, Brigadier Betty. Isn't this what Frontier Command has been waiting for?
But I thought Marshal Nova wanted peace.
I think the assembled might of my personal army speaks for the Marshal's intentions, Brigadier.
General Herman here, Commander. Do you copy? Here's the bad news. Zargorgi's launched an all-out attack. Which means our position is now behind enemy lines. But here's the good news. You're gonna join forces with the boys from Bravo Company. We'll see if we can't get us a piece of the action. Bravo Company's been airdropped just north of your position. Head for the Gold Star, Commander. Say hello to your new battalion, Commander. Press the X button to get these boys to follow you. It's that pesky spy again. Take him out before he can report back to Thunder and Highcombe. Nailed him! And it looks like he left a medipack behind. You can grab these for yourself, otherwise your grunts will pick them up as necessary.
You may have eliminated my spy, General, but his comrades are thirsty for revenge.
Remember, if you press and hold the L button, move, and press the B button, you can execute combat roles. Nice shooting, son, but let's keep moving. There's gonna be plenty more where they came from.
They're waiting for us out there. Get it!
Looks like a small enemy camp. Press the plus control pad to enter global mode and get a better view of the battlefield. Darn it, the enemy's in cover, Commander. Try to flank him on the right. What are you waiting for, Commander? Move out to the next Gold Star. Go, go, go!
The objective is right here.
The Frontier Cowboys are approaching our position. Cross the rope bridge and destroy them!
See the 01 marker? That means the MG nest up ahead is empty. Get over there and press the B button to jump in. The bridge is ours, Commander. Say again, the bridge is ours. Want to check old radio messages? Press start pause, then find the mission log using the L and R buttons. Those thundered bullets sting a little bit, huh? Use those fallen logs as cover, Commander. Commander, I'm gonna call in some air support and soften them up a little.
An airstrike, General. Are you afraid to engage my troops on even terms?
Nope, I'm just a sucker for a show of force. Hot dog, do we have total air superiority or what? Now, what are you waiting for? Attack! Remember, you can use combat rolls to dodge enemy fire. Oh, now that's what I call a firefight. But we don't got time to stand around and enjoy the scenery. Target the oil drums to destroy the barbed wire and free the frontier prisoners.
Here goes nothing. Rock and roll!
in a light tank and some more rifle grunts to help you with the rest of your mission. Head for the next Golden Star. There's the T-copter carrying our tank. Let's roll out the welcome wagon, Commander. Take control of the tank by locking on with the L button, then pressing the Z button. This is it, Commander. Get over that bridge and destroy that supplies base. The MG towers and the supplies base are clear present danger to your infantry. Only your tank can take you down. Keep your infantry on this side of the bridge. Press the X button to put them in sentry mode.
Not so fast, Herman. This battle is far from won. Bazooka veterans, destroy that tank!
Yes, this ain't over yet, Commander. Check your tank with your rifle infantry. Your tank is in pretty bad shape, Commander. If you want to patch her up, grab one of those blue jerry cans. Outstanding! Don't you just love the smell of victory in the morning?
Enjoy your petty triumph, General. This battle has only strengthened my resolve to crush the frontier once and for all.